Neeniy, Neeniy means this. You're saying this is. Neeniy means this is. Neeniy means this is. Ne is here. Ne is here. And the last one, ni, is when. Ni is when. So when are we going home? Ni tuang ik etem banch. When are we going up the mountain? Ni tuang ik etem yala permit. Ni tuang unga nena bear. So when is the time? When this time is coming? Or ni tuang ya wicha. Ni tuang ya wicha. Ni tuang ya itabanch. Ni tuang ya wicha. When can I sleep? When can I go to sleep? Or ni tuang ekin bear banch. So when they're coming home. When. So when is about time. When is time for me to speak? When? When is the time for me to speak? Ni tuang anka ya goksha. Ni tuang unga abwa goksha. Or ya goksha ni tuang. So when N-E is when, but time. So again, we have Neeniy saying this is. Ne is here. Ni is when. You're talking about time. When this time gonna arrive or going to arrive. So ni tuang unga nene bea or unga nena bea ni tuang. Unga nene bea ni tuang. So when this time is going to come.